In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends in the Crew 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your friends list inside of the Crew 2 and how to invite your friends to join your crew so you can play together. So, the Crew 2 doesn't have a direct friend adding system like many other games. What this means is that if you go over to the Social tab on the Crew 2, you will see the friends on the platform where you are playing it. So if you are on PlayStation, for example, you will see anyone who is on your PlayStation Network friends list who owns the Crew 2, and so on. So players who are on Xbox will see their Xbox friends list, and players who are on PC will see their respective PC player list, depending on which platform or which launcher they are playing on. So, to keep it simple, all that you have to do to add your friends in the Crew 2 is to add them to the respective platform's friends list. So on PlayStation Network, you add them through the PlayStation Network. The same for Xbox and the same for PC, either through the Ubisoft Connect launcher or through Steam. As soon as you add your friend to the respective store's friends list, you will be able to create or join a crew. So open the social tab when you find a friend who is online inside of the Crew 2, highlight them, select them, and now you will be able to invite them to the crew. You will see your current crew at the side of the screen, and you can have up to 4 people in the same crew. Once all of you are together, you can start any activity like a race, and you will be able to play the Crew 2 together with your friends. If you don't see them on your friends list, double check to see if you added them to the respective platform's friends list, restart the game, they should do the same, and as long as both of you are inside of the game online, you will be able to invite each other to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to add friends in the Crew 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.